Welcome to DevTech Minds. This is the 7th video on 30 days of Pandas and we are solving fix name in the table. So let's read the problem statement. We got a table named user, contains user ID as well as name, where user ID is the primary key. The question is saying write a solution to fix the name so that the first character is uppercase and the rest are lowercase. We need to return the output order by user ID. So let's get the output. So firstly I need to get the name and need to capitalize it. So I'll just take the users and I'll specify user.name equals. Then I can once again copy this and paste it in here. .str dot capitalize, and that will do the work. Okay, so we can return now, returning the users, but we have a condition of sorting the values by we can specify, and that is the user ID, and that's it. So let's execute it. Alright, so we got it and we can submit it now. And here we go, we can see this is the output, and I hope you understand the solution as well as the problem statement. So that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one.